Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. For you purists, I know there's a lot of Corvette purists out there. This is the car for you. It's a 1968 427 tri-power 400 horse, and it has been certified. It is a Top Flight certificate. It's been judged, so you don't have to believe a word I say about it. It's been judged by the experts. It has a tank sticker. It's all numbers matching. It's a very, very authentic, original car. If you go to volocars.com, you can study over 100 pictures. You can see the scans of the documentation. You can get the price on volocars.com. Not only on this car, but a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified every time a new one comes out. But right now, the tops are off the car. Let's go for a spin. I say tops because it has the optional removable hard top. It's painted to match the car. The weather strip that goes around the side windows looks excellent shape. The weather strip that goes over the windshield is pretty much deteriorated. The headliner's in excellent shape. No hit body is what they're saying, and all the gaps are really nice. It fits really well. The wiper doors, all that fits real nice. The headlight doors fit in there real nicely. So it's got a really good, clean body. It's repainted its original safari yellow color. It has the luggage rack that's nice and shiny. The chrome on the car is original, so it's bright. There's like some scratches right here. But when you stand and look at the car as a whole, everything is shiny and bright. A little bit of the red paint is worn off the flag. It has the original antenna. These are shiny. These are original. It has some wear. Mirror looks real nice. Windshield looks crystal clear. A little bit of freckling up here. The paint is very glossy. It's not wet sanded out like a piece of glass, but it's probably equivalent to the paint job that left the factory. It has a little bit of texture, but it's shiny, especially out in the daylight. You're going to need sunglasses to look at this one. Tires are brand new. We just had these reproduction red lines installed, so is the nub on the tread. All the trim on the wheels looks new. Got the 15-inch rally wheels. The interior is in really nice shape. Like the rest of the car, it's not a nut and bolt restoration, but it's not abused. The whole instrument panel, the console area, all that's in very good shape. It seems to be very functional. They rebuilt the clock, but they rebuilt it back to the original, so it's ticking. When you put a quartz movement in there, the second hand doesn't tick. So again, the car is very original. Door panels are excellent. Seats look real nice. It does have a set of embroidered Corvette floor mats. It's got a black convertible top in real nice shape. Visors look good. The engine compartment and the underside have not been spray canned or monkeyed with. Very well preserved condition. The motor has been rebuilt. It is a 427, and the tri-power makes it a 400 horsepower. This is a California car. We have owner history. It's had 3 owners. Each owner owned it about 15, 20 years. So it has the California pollution equipment still attached. It has the deep groove pulleys because it's a high revving motor. You won't want the belts to fly off. And again, that's spray can, no reproduction stuff in here. The valve covers are the original chrome. They're a little bit worn, but Corvette guy appreciates the original ones. It has the dimple, the spot welds that the originals come with, and the experts look for that. It has the complete ignition shielding with the stainless braided wires. All the components look really stock, proper. Everything looks to be in good order. The motor supposedly was rebuilt about 1,000 miles ago. I'm about to start it up for you. Motor runs real nice. Headlights open and close real nice. I forgot to open the door. I wasn't trying to hide anything. Door panels are real nice. The rubber is good. Jams are good. Interior light works in the back and under the dash. Tail lights work. The fiber optic lights in the console work. The seat belt light works. The door ajar light works. It's a 4-speed. Key buzzer works. It's the original, I think it's an M24 speed, and it has its original 308 posi. It's disc brakes at all 4 corners. Here's some of the documentation we have. The original tank sticker, the Top Flight certificate, owner's manual, a bunch of maintenance receipts and registrations that verify the history of the car and the ownership of the car. This will all go with it, of course, and we'll be putting some pictures of that on our website. So go to volocars.com to study the pictures. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll answer your questions about the car, about the process. We can help with delivery, financing. That's what we do, so let us know how we can help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy the videos. Click on the bell icon. You will be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.